The Apex Garden 10 feet by 12 feet Gazebo Replacement Mosquito Netting is an essential accessory for those looking to enjoy their outdoor space without the nuisance of insects. Crafted from 100% polyester, this mosquito netting is weather-resistant and meets the CPAI-84 US Standard for fire-retardant fabric, ensuring both durability and safety. Designed to fit most 10-foot by 12-foot gazebos, it is especially compatible with Lowe's Roth 12-foot by 10-foot gazebos, making it a versatile choice for many gazebo owners. The mosquito netting features 4 wall enclosures with zippers in the center of each side, facilitating easy entry and exit while maintaining a secure barrier against bugs. Produced by the original factory, the product includes grommet tops and clip rings for easy installation, although replacement J-hooks are sold separately. Before purchasing, it is important to measure your gazebo and ensure it has a track for netting or curtains, as not all gazebos are designed to accommodate this feature.